She's taking a picture of me. Should be here. I'm headed to Singapore right now. I just landed here and you can scan in your passport at this machine right here and you can get 3 hours of Wi-Fi. I just scanned my passport and it's gonna see if this works. So let's go. Instead of using a Grab, I recommended to use MRT. So I'm on the way to go find where the MRT is. You can get unlimited rides with a few exceptions. And then I paid a deposit that if you return this card, you can get your deposit back. But you can also keep it as a souvenir if you don't want your deposit back. Day here in Singapore and I came to find this dragon statue, but it's in an apartment complex. It's really abandoned. I was trying to take a picture. She's taking a picture of me, but my camera was like messing up, so I don't know what's wrong. Disappointed, so I'm gonna go back and take a nap. A lot going on. See this pretty house in Little India.
Our heritage is enriched by the many flavors and colorful celebrations that shape our unique identity. Let us tell you our story through the many exhibits that you will find in these galleries.
I just want to show you how some sidewalks are part of the shops. I'm at an MRT station called Bugis. I don't know what it's called honestly. Bugis, and I'm hoping to get on with a free walking tour group. That's what I signed up for. Well, you don't sign up for it. You just have to come to a meeting spot and join them, and it's free, but donations are encouraged. So I'm here for that.
Rich with its own traditions, Southeast Asia adopted cultural elements coming from the Indian subcontinent. Hindu, Buddhist, and later Islamic and Christian influences took root here. The traces of this early contact, carved on ancient sites and temples, can be seen across the region. Singapura, or Temasek as it was called then.
Look at this beautiful church. Apparently was used in the Crazy Rich Asian movie. I've never seen it.
Oh, hey, isn't that good?
那上面看就对了，是吧？
Amazing，因为你看不到下面。
是。It's my last full day here in Singapore. Where am I going? I think I'm going to the Flower Dome. I've just been going with the flow, really, like whatever I feel like at the moment. I haven't had breakfast yet, so I'm going to go to my first stop and then get a meal after. I'm just not hungry right now. Mostly when I'm traveling, I do not stick to a 3-meal plan. Yesterday I only had breakfast and lunch. I had the free breakfast at my hostel, which is just bread. I couldn't drink milk with the cereal. And today I woke up later than the free breakfast time, so I forfeited that. I love the Indian food I had for lunch yesterday. It was a lot, but I sat there till I ate it all. It wasn't too bad. I paced myself. Maybe I can find something else good today also. So I'm at Bendemeer, going to Bayfront. I'm trying not to use my phone today. I came from Bayfront last night, but I just memorized the stop. Bayfront towards here, 7 stops, go backwards, 7 stops. I'm also trying to be confident in myself. Because how did people navigate before, smartphones? The only reason I've been confident so far is because of my smartphone. And then when my battery is dying, I freak out. I'm like, no, I'm going to get lost. I haven't gotten lost here. Okay, I got lost once when I was coming from the airport. I got on the last bus that was supposed to take me to my hostel, but I was looking at Google Maps, so I saw that I was going in the opposite direction. So I got off at the next stop and then took the bus to the right way. So that was the only time. I'm here at it's called Gardens by the Bay, but there's so many parts of it right now. I'm close by the Colonial Garden, close by the Malay Garden. It's nice. Look at this view. Should be here at the trees in the morning, and you can see the vibe is totally different. No lights. So I got tickets to see the cloud forest and the flower dome because the Australian couple I met last night, they said it's a must. This is where I'm headed right now. Here. Look at the first view. Oh my goodness. View, guys. It's so pretty in here. I love water. This is amazing. I know it's kind of blurry, but it's not. It's just misty in here, so you can see clearly. But it's amazing, guys. Let me show you the beautiful view in this place. Yes. Oh. Wow. It's now cold and chilly in here. To the lost world. Struggle of a solo traveler. I'm trying to take a selfie. Everyone's just like staring, like, keep walking. Hello, I'm trying to take a picture here. Secret garden. I explored the cloud forest for about maybe 3 hours. Now we are going on to the flower dome. just woke up from a very nice nap, much needed. I wanted to step out at night and put my transit pass to good use because I didn't really ride a lot. It was a good investment. I encourage anyone, if you're in Singapore, to invest in a tourist pass. I'm going to something called the Spectral light show. I'm walking to the bus stop. I'm going to take a bus and it's like 13 stops. I leave tomorrow. Unlike when I was leaving from Kuala Lumpur and Penang, my flight is later in the evening. So I need to know how to get on the bus and MRT without having a tourist pass. I don't want to freak out because I have not freaked out since I've been on this travel, because I tend to freak out easily because I get anxious and overwhelmed and like I just shut down. But since I've had internet access, that hasn't happened because I'm confused about direction. I just pull up my Google Maps and I find my way. So I'm not freaking out. I'm just going to read more online how to get my EasyLink pass and I'll be good. I'm so late. Starting time and I was running so fast to get here and I got so lucky. I got here and I was struggling to get a good view, but then a family moved away from a spot as soon as I arrived. It's amazing. So lucky. And I've only had one meal today. I'm really hungry, so I'm trying to find something to eat. A lot of places are closed at 11 or 11:30. Found this ramen stall thing that showed up on Google Maps. Who knew I would come to Singapore to eat ramen? I don't even eat ramen like that in Korea. Ramen, here I come. That was a fail. The only thing on the menu that says vegetarian is made with chicken broth. That will make me so nauseous, so I left. Ay, the struggle. Ooh, does this have vegetarian? Let's look. So I found this place called the Dim Sum Place, and the only thing that was on the menu that's veggie friendly is the vermicelli rice roll with mushroom and then the steamed milk bun. So hungry. Ta-da! So this place is supposed to have like a futuristic look to it, but don't be fooled, it's all plastic. So there are 4 stalls, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's quite tight. The toilet is right by the shower. Close the door behind you and then you do your business or you shower. I really get scared using the bathroom sometimes because they always leave that door open. I'm not sure why. Question, can anyone tell me what this is? Right here. It's been running since I got here. What is that? The mirrors in the bathroom. It's so fake looking. This is the whole thing.
Yeah, so this is very unique because it's a vegetable, it has fruits.
I just left my hostel. I was supposed to explore a little bit this morning, but that failed because I went to church and I was there for 3 hours because they were asking me lots of questions. They wanted to get to know me. So I didn't have time to do anything else. I just got the clearance. I got freaked out because they kept announcing about your weight limit. It couldn't be more than 7 kilograms. And we all know I struggled with that. And thus far, no one has weighed my bag. So I was like getting nervous. Please don't weigh my bag. They didn't weigh it. You just have to carry yourself like your bag is light and you will not raise suspicions. Okay? So now I'm headed to paradise and that's where I will see you next. Bye!